Ask ChatGPT to pick a random number between 1 and 100. Go on, try it. It'll say 73. Not always, but more often than probability would ever allow. A recent study ran over 75,000 calls across 6 major language models: ChatGPT, Gemini, Llama, Mistral, and they found all converge on the same handful of numbers: 37, 47, 73. Shrink the range and it gets weirder. Ask for 1 to 10 and 3 of these models pick the number 7, about 80% of the time. 80% out of 10 options. And that one quirky fact tells you almost everything you need to know about how an LLM actually works. Because a large language model, or what we call an LLM, isn't rolling a dice. It isn't thinking. It is doing what it was built to do: predict the most likely next word, or in this case, the most random feeling number, based on everything humans ever wrote about randomness. Last video, we covered generative AI. Today, we'll understand large language models. How do Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT and the likes actually work? Let's get into it. An LLM is like a brain built from reading books, articles, conversations, most of the internet. The large part of its name comes from how much of that reading gets packed into it. Parameters, billions, sometimes trillions of them. Think of parameters like pixels in a photo. A low-resolution image gives you the basic shape, but a high-res image reveals the texture, the lighting, and the details. Trillions of these parameters give the model a high-definition understanding of human language. It's how it picks up on subtle context, nuance, and intent. GPT-4 has around 1.8 trillion of them. That's not filling cabinet of facts. That's the model's instinct for how we talk. Size isn't a flex. It's what gives it clarity. 88% of professionals say LLMs have improved their work because they now handle the messy parts of thinking at work, turning chaos into structure, notes into reports, and rough ideas into usable drafts in seconds. That's why productivity jumps aren't just numbers.
Tools like Copilot help finish people tasks 29% faster because the hardest part of starting and organizing tasks is already done.
Work is changing and LLMs are at the center of it. Ask an LLM for the score of a match that's live right now. It'll tell you and get it right. That's strange if you think about it. It never learned today's match happened. So how does it know? It doesn't. It searches the web first, finds the score, and uses that to write the answer. That act, searching, finding the right information, and using it to answer, is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. We'll get into exactly how that works in the next video.